Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Well, today I have for you my very first Five Below haul, and it's quite a large one, so if you plan on sticking by, go ahead and grab a drink of your choice and sit back and relax. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, now first I picked up in the toy department. This is called Friendship Wordwear 2,500 plus beads and bead tray. And it's for ages 5 and up. And this is what it is. It comes with all this. Too much for me to read off to you. And this is what it looks like on the back, the things you can make. And this was only $5. Now I got this because my granddaughter's birthday is coming up soon, and I thought this would make a perfect one of the gifts that we're getting her. Okay, and next is a original art by you. It's for ages 6 plus. It is called a wall art paint by number. It comes with 6 acrylic paints and 3 canvases, and this is what it looks like on the front, and this was $5 too. And this is the back. It shows you everything you have, the 3 canvases and everything. I think this is going to be a great gift for her too. And then trying to find her next. Okay. Then we picked up this cute little, it's a bead bracelet that says blessed, with a cute little necklace with a stone. Might help if I get that focused in the camera, huh? And right here on the back shows you how long the bracelet is. And that was only $1.25. That is a real good deal. It should have been, I would have paid $3 to $4 for it. Maybe more, because it's real nice. The beads are, and they're pastel colors. Look at them colors again. When I seen that, and it was the last one, they had one that said love or something on it, but I thought blessed would be better for a, I think, yeah, she's going to be 11. And then here is a plush journals on the front. It's real soft and fluffy, pastel purple with a beautiful butterfly on it. And I don't like the flappy here because it already got bent. So I'm going to take some glue and just glue these down. And the little tip of the tail here. And it'll hold for longer for her. And this was only $5 too. And there is, well, it doesn't tell you how many sheets of paper in it, but there's quite a bit. And this is what the back looks like. And again, the front for you. And they had these in, I think, blue too. And then we picked her up these 12 count, 5-point, fine point watercolor pens. And look at the tips of them, how, if you could see that through there, I'm holding it there. I love the fine tip that it has. And again, you can see right here, it was only $5, and I thought that was a great deal. And we picked her up, it is a Kaleidoscope Coloring Magical Creatures. And it includes gel pens 10 magical creatures to learn to draw, plus 10 illustrations to color. This is what the front looks like. Now this was only $5 too. And she likes unicorns, and here's what the back looks like. And open it up. Let me see here. Okay, it opens this way. Let me just show you some of the... Get focused here. Just a few of the things. It's real light print, if you can even see it. If you can't, I'm sorry. But when you go to Five Below, and it's over in the craft and arts and the toy section over there, you'll be able to open it up, and the Magical Creatures Drawing and Coloring Kit book. And I just love the front of it. It lets you know what's in the book, some of the things. And that's just a beautiful, great gift idea for her. And the last item we picked up, no, there's another item. Let me see. Yes, this is the last item we picked up from there for her. This is a 24 count gel pen set. It's a glitter and pastel. You have 12 glitter colors and 12 pastel colors, and it's $5. Look at all that. Look at the colors, and the colors of each pen tells you what color the pen is, the ink. And look at that. It's beautiful colors. She's going to really enjoy that, I think. She's at that age where she likes to draw and color, and like the beads, she likes to do things like that. Okay, that's it on the birthday girl. Now I picked up for 25 mixed media paint brushes for $5. Now look at this. I bought one of these similar to this, and it didn't have 25 in it though, from Walmart, and it was like $8 and something. But look at that. All different sizes, and you've got your two foam brushes right here. Let me show you more on the back. You can't beat that. It's a steal, really. I mean, it's really a good deal. And then I picked up me another one of these for me. The 24 count gel pen set, glitter and pastel, for just $5. And this was $1. It should have been in my granddaughter's bag, but it is Fashion Click pens. I got them because of the design of the pens. I thought she would like that to write in her journal. I picked me up some of these 5-pack ladies socks. It's called Series 8 Fitness Performance Low Cut Socks, and these were just $5. We have the pastel purple and black, the blue, the pink and black, a lighter shade of like a purple, and then a lighter shade of blue. Now, I picked up this 6-inch studio light. It has 3 color temperatures, 10 brightness modes, and this was only $10. That's it on the front, and this shows you everything you get in the back. And I picked up me this was only $5, and it's a sketchbook, and there is 160 pages in it of real good quality paper. Now I picked up, this came off of it. It's a American Cat Club Folding Cat Cave, 20 inch by 16 inch by 10 inch. It's all you do is you unfold it and it's ready to go. And this is what it looks like. I went ahead and put it together. And we picked up a pet bed too, and it was for only $5. And my cat Snuggles, who normally is laying on me, is right here beside me, already laying and asleep in the pet bed. And it's he is a medium-sized adult cat, about like that, and the bed's about, well, let me see if it says it on here. It don't. It's about that tall, and it's real fluffy. It's a light pink and white inside, and he actually did not sleep with me for the first time last night. He slept in that bed. So that tells you how nice and comfy it is. And I picked up 2 of these room-to-room collapsible storage cube, size 12 by 12 by 12. And this is the box. And then the lid is this real pretty light pale pink. And I picked up 2 of these because they were only $5. Now, the last 2 things that I picked up, one is this room-to-room collapsible hamper with a lid. It is size 12 by 12 by 23 in height, and it was only $5. Right there's the price. And this is exactly how tall it is. So, and this is the back. So that's a great deal. I should have got 2 of them, but I didn't think about it. And I picked up, these were $5, and it's 2 sketch canvas pack. It's 100 cotton canvas, and its dimensions is 16 by 20. I got 2 of them for $5. And this is how the back looks. And I know at Walmart, just one of these, that I don't even think it's as big as this, it might be, is like $8 just for one. Okay, well, that's all that I have today from my Five Below haul. If you like this video and haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now and click that bell next to it. That way you won't miss any future uploads. And I do DIYs too, from the Dollar Tree, sometimes Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby. I do DIYs from stuff I buy from there, and hauls. And not only by subscribing to my channel, you will also be a member of my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and click that like button, the share button, and leave a comment. Alright, I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.